Guys, what is trending in the scary story niche? That's what I'm going to be giving you in this video that you're watching right now. And the tool we're going to be using is a paid tool called vidIQ AI. That's what's going to be helping us to generate what is trending in this niche right now. So sit back, relax, and I bet you're going to enjoy this video. So let's go to vidIQ AI right now. So here we are in vidIQ. This AI coach is going to help us to find out currently trending. What is currently trending? Let's click here so you can see what currently trending in my niche. So what's the niche? You can go right now and said this is the niche. Scary story is the niche that we want to go into. Just click right here and it's going to analyze the entire YouTube channel, and it's going to give us all the details, all the analysis that we need to create our own video to make it go viral. Either you're doing short or you're doing long form, this guy is going to give you video title, video idea, video topic. It's going to tell you what is the length of the video is supposed to be. It's going to tell you how you need to structure the video, give you the script, give you the title, and all of this. You see, in the last 30 days, it's giving you all the details of the video that are trending in this scary story niche. Guys, man, this keyword is powerful. This detail is powerful. You can see it's giving us the trending keyword also right there. So if you want this, yeah, if you want these data that you're seeing on my screen right now, just go down in the comment section below and tell me, too blessed, I want it, and I'll make it available for you. Or you can let me know by clicking the link below to go and start using vidIQ right now for free in the comment section below. So you can see, I hope you're seeing all this data that is giving you. I hope you're learning from them, that you're not just looking at them for free. Look at it, it's giving you how to go about this oral niche, how to title it, how to attack it, how to go into it. These are all the details that this guy has given us. Let's go on to it a little bit right now. What's hot right now in the scary story niche? So you can see these are the things that is hot. True scary story, Reddit, people crave and real chill. So you can see, just read all this yourself. Animated horror story, these are the things. So if you go right now, if you are in this niche and you go right now, you title your video all of this title, and I tell you, your video is going to keep blowing up. Why? Because these are the things that are trending, and you're creating your video around all this trending title, all this trending topic, and all that. So short form horror, so less than 1 minute, that one too is doing very well. It's doing trending. So you can also go through with short compilation video, that one too is also doing very well. Dark family secret, this one too, you can see juicy taboo, blah blah blah, all of these things. Viral example and data backlight. Choose true scary driving at night story. You can see this video has done over 154k plus in 9 days, guys. And this thing literally just give you a title that you can just use ChatGPT to write this title. Use AI, free AI, to generate the voiceover and create this video. Guy, I tell you, this is amazing, man. In 9 days, 150 something k. Look at this one, camping horror story, 140k plus view in 6 days. Farm horror story, 165k view in 27 days. Netflix team horror, 120k views in 15 days. Dark family secrets, 216k plus view in 37 days, guys. So you can tell this thing to give you more. You can see all this keyword. Look at all this keyword. Look at all these keywords. Scary story, true scary stories. All of these things, guys, they are real details that if you follow it and do with it, man, your channel is going to blow up in no time. Very fast. Your channel is going to blow up. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next one.